I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and I'm going to go over some of the common mistakes and all the components that come in the X8795 kit. The X8795 kit is for the pco20-28. So there's a couple other PureAir systems that are similar model numbers. There's the X8797 and the X8796. So those are commonly misordered by consumers who accidentally order the wrong one. So the easiest way to make sure you're getting the correct one is make sure that you have the MERV 16 filter that you have is the correct one. And this is the MERV 16 filter. This is the X8798. And that's the one that's going to come inside of the kit for the 8795 kit. So it's going to come with one MERV 16 filter, one PCO catalytic filter. This is a honeycomb filter that is a photocatalytic oxidation filter. And it's going to have the model number PCO20-28 of the system. And then it's also going to have its model number, which is X8791. So the UV lights which come with it, there's going to be two UV light bulbs that come with it as well. And they're going to come both in bubble wrap. I pulled one out here. Here's one. And then I have the other one right here. And this is the X8794. And it will come with two of these. So these UV lights are going to shine onto the catalytic filter, and that's going to create the PCO photocatalytic oxidation that helps make the PureAir system so effective. So the MERV 16 filter, it's going to have the dimensions on the side of it and the airflow direction. This is 20 by 26 by 5. Air filters are measured by nominal size, so that's a lot of times it will be a rounded size. The actual dimensions are, the width is actually, instead of 5, it's about 4 3/8 if you measure it. And then the actual height is exactly 20 inches. And then the actual length of the filter is about 20.5 inches. So those are the actual dimensions, and that matches the actual dimensions of the PCO filter as well. So if you were just going by dimensions, for some reason you didn't have the model number, then you could go by the dimensions. So that's basically everything you need to know about what components are in the kit. When you're putting this in, you want to make sure the airflow direction is going this way. That means that the return air, which will probably be a duct that goes on the outside, is going to go towards the filter, and then the filter is going to be facing the unit. So it'll be in a cabinet, and that cabinet will be right next to the unit. So you want the filter facing that. This is the back of the filter with the staves, and this is the front of the filter. So that makes it easy to determine. As I said, the most common issues that people have is ordering the wrong kit. And the bulbs are the same in all three kits. For the 8796, the 8797, they all have these bulbs. So just because you have the right bulbs doesn't mean you have the right kit. It has to be the 8795 kit. So you want to make sure that you have the correct filter. So before opening it, you can look at the outside of the kit, and there's going to be a 1-inch sticker, and it's going to say X8795. I'll put a close-up of that so you can see it. And I'll also put links to all three of the different PureAir kits. And there's a few new kits as well. If you're looking for one of the PureAir S kits, which are the newer kits, I'll put a link to those as well in the description of this video so that you can get the proper kit. And with the kit, I'll put the MERV 16 filter and the other components that come with that kit. So for the X8795, it comes with the X8788 filter, the X8791 photocatalytic filter, and then the X8794 bulbs. So that's everything you need to know about the X8795, which is for PCO20-28 Lennox PureAir system. Thanks for tuning in. You can find the links to in the description of the video. Thank you.